In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change miles to kilometers in Life360. Alright, so let's get started. I'm holding my iPhone here, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app. You know, the little gear icon that's usually on your home screen. I'm going to tap that to get into all the system settings. Once I'm in settings, I'm scrolling down just a little bit until I see General. It's right around the middle of the list, so I tap on that to open up the general settings for my phone. From here I'm scrolling down a little further, and now I'm looking for language and region. This is where we can change things related to location and measurement units, so I'll tap on that. Once I'm in the language and region section, I see a bunch of different settings related to language preferences and region settings. What I need to do now is tap on region. This is going to let me choose a country or region, and depending on which one I pick, it will change the units of measurement in apps like Life360. So when I tap region, I'm going to see a list of countries. To switch to kilometers, I need to select a region that uses the metric system. A few common options are countries like Canada, Australia, or Spain. Places where kilometers are the standard for distance, I'm just going to pick one of those. For example, I'll tap on Canada since they use kilometers for everything. Once I tap on Canada, it switches my region automatically. There's no save button or anything, it just applies the change right away. It's super quick. Now, the next time I open the Life360 app, the distances will be shown in kilometers instead of miles. It's a really simple change, but it makes a big difference if you're more comfortable with the metric system. And that's all there is to it. You just went into the settings, changed the region to one that uses kilometers, and now your Life360 app is all set. It only takes a couple of taps, and the change happens instantly. Super easy, right? So that's it. I hope this helped, and now you can easily switch from miles to kilometers whenever you need to. Thanks for watching.